Hello students, I hope the previous video you have completed your exercise A and B 1 and 2 question answers in your copy. So today we are going to discuss about the third question, that is explain the course of the French Revolution of 1789. So everyone open page number 28. So you have the answer in break of the revolution, outbreak of the revolution. You can write point wise or like a paragraph also you can write. So start from here. First point. In 1789, the French government found itself in the grip of huge financial crisis. So on 5th May 1789, the King Louis XVI summoned a meeting of the Estate General to get their consent to impose new taxes. Second point, as the commoners was in majority, so they demanded that the matters put before the assembly should be decided by a majority of voters, but the other two estates were against this. Okay, third point, the commoners declared the third estate as the National Assembly, and this proved to be the beginning of the French Revolution. Okay. Next point, the king declared the decision of the new assembly invalid and dismissed some of the members of third estate. This led nationwide protest. After that, last point, on 20th June, the representatives of the third estate, come here to fourth line, third estate declared themselves a national assembly and swore not to despair till they had drafted a constitution for France. Okay, so till here you write B, third question's answer. Next we'll see fourth question, that is analyze the post-revolution period of French Revolution. This is also in page number 28 you have. You can write point wise or a para also. First point, the National Assembly then made its declaration of the rights of man. Next point, these included liberty, equality, and the right to resist oppression. Next point, Louis XVI refused to agree to this, and he and his family were arrested and guillotined. Next point, this was the start of the reign of terror led by Maximilien Robespierre, which lasted until 1794. Next point, Austria, Britain, the Netherlands, Prussia, and Spain all declared war on France. Frightened by this turn of events, Robespierre's colleagues ordered his execution. Last point, a new government, the dictator, was set up. Okay, so till here you write for question number 4B. Next is that question 5, explain the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. Page number 28, the French Revolution and rise of Napoleon. In that paragraph, first point, though the French Revolution ended the monarchy in France, but it failed to provide a stable government. Second point, the newly appointed directors often clashed with each other. This political instability paved way for the rise of a military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. Next point, Napoleon seized political power in 1799 and in 1804 declared himself as the Emperor of France. Okay, last point you can write by 1810 Napoleon's empire included nearly all the Europe. Okay, he introduced many laws such as the protection of private property, equality before law, uniform system of weights and weights, etc. till etc. you write. Okay, next we'll see next question, that is question number 6. The French Revolution was an event of great significance. Justify. Come to page number 29 here. So, sixth question's answer are these points. Okay. So, first point, it ended arbitrary and despotic rule of monarchy. Second point, it established that people were the source of power. Third point, the revolution also established great ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity, which inspired revolutionary and democratic ideas everywhere in the world. Fourth point, it gave the term nation its new and modern meaning. Fifth point, the years following 1789 in France saw many changes in the social, economic, political, and daily life of the people. Okay, so till 5 points you write. So like this we are completing question exercise A and exercise B. So see, you have matched the following, column A, column B. So first is at 1789. It is answer will be French Revolution. 1804 answer is Napoleon became emperor. Voltaire, philosopher and writer. Robespierre, reign of terror. Louis XVI, ruler of France during French Revolution. Okay, so these are the answers for match the following. Next, fill-ups. First one, French helped 13 American colonies to gain their independence from Britain. Okay. Second one, the people of Third Estate declared themselves a National Assembly on 20th June 1789. Third, there were many French philosophers like Rousseau and Voltaire who exposed the evils prevailing in the French society. Fourth one, angry French mob stormed the Bastille on 14th July 1789. Last one, the process of creation of nation state began in 1789 with the countrymen. So these are the answers for fill-ups. Okay, see there, first answer is Britain, second answer National Assembly, third Rousseau and Voltaire, fourth 14th July 1789, and fifth is countrymen. So in matching you can see First answer is C, then second is E, third is A, fourth is B, and fifth is D. So children, we have completed the exercises of chapter 2A. So now you have to write exercise A, B in your copy. Okay. So thank you children. Have a nice day.